Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Long-run growth questions get easier fast when you separate policies that build productive capacity from policies that mainly boost short-run spending. So watch this carefully. Long-run economic growth means increasing the economy's productive capacity over time, not just giving demand a temporary push. So we want a policy that raises productivity or capital. Now compare the choices. Investment in energy-efficient technologies adds productive capital and can improve efficiency, which supports future output, while unemployment benefits, consumer subsidies, and tax cuts mostly affect current spending incentives. Also, cutting early childhood education works against growth because education builds human capital, so the only option that clearly strengthens long-run growth is B. Well done! Option B, scan now. Trap, rushing past long-run versus short-run effects. Rule, trust what the question asks and check each choice carefully.